biggest achievement is $9,200 in a day.
First 5 years, on an average, I'm getting $15,000 to $20,000 per day.
Okay, so you've probably heard of applications like Binomo, OctaFX and OlympTrade. Here are 3 reasons why they are not only just scamming you, but they are also downright brutal when it comes to just extracting the money from their customers. Which is also the reason why many countries have not only banned these applications, they have also arrested the social media influencers who are promoting these applications. The first reason why this is a scam is because it is way more riskier than gambling. These are applications wherein you bet whether a graph is gonna go up or down, and then if you predict it perfectly, you're gonna get 80% of the extra money you invested. And if you lose, you're gonna lose all the money you just invested. This might seem normal for most of you guys, but gambling itself has approximately 5% edge. If you do the same thing here, you're gonna get a 20% edge, which is almost 4 times of the same risk. And it doesn't end there. The second reason why I don't like this is because of the psychology it plays. Once you install this application, you get to have a demo account using which you could do anything you want, using virtual money of course. And obviously the application owners are gonna make you win in this demo account, and they will make you attracted to the main account where you could actually invest in real money. And this is their hook. This is how they just catch people and never let them go. Once this is done, they are gonna move on to the real money, where you will be able to win some money in the beginning to make it look like this is genuine, and as time passes by, this decreases to complete loss, and they're gonna make you lose all the money you need. Now you might of course wonder, how will they make you lose all the money? The graph right here is not controlled by them. Money you put in is not controlled by them. Then how are they actually gonna control you? The only way they can control you is through the suggestions. You see, most people who are investing into these applications probably just use the suggestions place, wherein they could see all the graphs which make a lot of profit, and then they just invest into these graphs. Now what they don't know is that these graphs are highly manipulated. They are made sure that you are going to lose money in the end on the long run. It is mathematically impossible for you to win using this algorithm, using this kind of 4 times riskier gambling method, and also not to mention everything else is controlled by them just through a couple of features. Moving on to the last reason why this is a complete scam, it's because they use social media influencers in the wrong way. All you need is money, script and a video to go ahead and then pitch to a social media influencer who's gonna probably take it and then record themselves saying that they use this product.
First 5 years, on an average, I'm getting $15,000 to $20,000 per day.
My biggest achievement is $9,200 in a day.
And that's it. Using this way, many social media influencers from Indonesia and other countries have been arrested because they claimed that they used this application to bet and make a lot of money, but in reality they did not. There is no way a social media influencer could use this and actually make a lot of money and finally just making their living completely off of this. It is actually impossible using simple maths. People have literally died using this application. They have gone bankrupt, making no money at all, just because of the hook you get from using this app, that maybe in the future you might gain all the money you have lost, but in reality you're just gonna lose it all. It's not on you, it's just completely on them. You get nothing in return for sure, on the long term of course. If you know a social media influencer who claims that they use applications like these for betting and make a lot of money from it, just know that they are lying, just plain and downright lying to their own audience. There is no way that they are not lying. Like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram as well. I'll meet you in the next video. Goodbye.